everyone, I'm Steve. Welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. Today we're going back in the apiary and we're going to put our Apiguard Varroa Mite treatments on the hives. This is the second treatment for the year, and we put the first one out about 18 days ago. Behind me you see the fire, what's left of the customs fire on Vulcan Mountain. Things have been a little busy. So that's coming up next. Putting the treatment in. Let's go. This is hive number 1. We'll go ahead and lift the top. There's our bees. As you can see, they have cleaned out the Apiguard tray. That's wonderful. We're going to leave this tray in here. I'm just going to move it a bit. And we're going to put our new tray alongside it. A quick look. We've got a beautiful population here. This is exactly what we want. Let's see. Looks like the 2 frames on the outside don't have bees on them, but the 6 inners have it. This is an 8 frame top, and the base is full also. So we close that up, let them go to work on killing the Varroa mites. Really simple. Next we have hive number 2. I'm just going to repeat the process. Pull the top off. Once again, they have cleaned up that Apiguard. We open up the new tray, set it right down. They're not going to like that. They're going to get on it, pull it through the hive, fumigating the Varroa mite as they go. There's number 2. All right, hive number 3 is tight. Wow, look at that population. Slammed with bees. Set that tray right down on them. As you can see, she got mad at me and she's stinging my glove, but it's not going through. That's beautiful. Beautiful hive. Get the girls off the rim. Just that simple. The Apiguard, it runs about, I'm getting it a box of 10 for $32. Sort of pricey, but that's the investment to cover the hives. Actually, I spent $32 for enough Apiguard for all 8 hives that I planned on. It's real cheap insurance. If you remember earlier in the year, hive number 4 absconded on us. So we skipped that hive. We're off to hive number 5 now. I'll reset the camera. And here we go. Peekaboo. Oh boy, beautiful. That is just heaven for a beekeeper. Set that tray in. You can see the previous treatment is just about emptied out. Get the girls off the rim. Easy. For those of you following our series, you know, hive number 6, we had to re-queen. We lost the queen early. She never took right out of the nuke box. So this has been re-queened. Let's take a look. We almost lost this hive. Very close. Okay, they're a little shy. It looks like we have about 5 frames on the upper super, and they've taken about half of the Varroa treatment. But I'm going to go ahead and put another one in there anyway. And close them up. Real quick, you can see the difference between hive number 5 and number 6. This is what happens when you have a hive that loses its queen and has to be requeened in the middle of the season. Much lower population, never really bounce back. We're going to work really hard to get this one through the winter. That brings us to hive number 7. And as you can see from the entrance, the population is exploding. Let's take a look inside. Alrighty, hive number 7. They've done a great job on the Apiguard also. Hardly any left. Population looks wonderful. Holy Moses. A lot of honey, a lot of stores for the winter. Looking good. Close them back up. This is our final hive. It's hive number 8. The way I laid out the apiary this year, the row is west to east. I think next year I'm going to go north to south. What has happened with this hive is it is picked up and actually robbed from the other 7 hives any bees coming back from all the pollen we have further to the east. They get confused, they come to the first hive and they see, and this hive exploded because of it. This is the hive we got our honey from this year also. Let's take a look inside. Whoa. Okay, this is on top of an extra honey super I put on for them. So they've already worked into that honey super. This one has 2 deeps and a medium, which they're working on for stores for the winter. Beautiful. They've also taken the cover. This is going to be a mess in the spring. I don't know if you can see this, but our spacer, they have completely propolized it. Is that a word? Sealed it with propolis to the lid. So that'll be interesting. Look at all those bees. Beautiful. Okay, let's get these guys closed. Beautiful. Great population here. Alrighty, as usual, if you like our content, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and hit the little like button. That helps. We have a pretty good series going on here. I think we're up 19-20 videos on beekeeping. We'll keep it up. So hey, if you're a beekeeper, I'd like to know what treatment you use and how successful you feel it is. Also include the location, where you are in the world, as this is worldwide. Put it in the comments below. Let's get some interaction, see what's going on out there outside of beautiful Ferry County, Washington, United States of America. As usual, stay safe and healthy. Everyone, till next time, take care.